To create a quote on Expedia, start by going to Expedia.com and logging into your profile or registering if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see various options at the top of the screen, including a language changer, the ability to list your property, support, trips, and your profile. In the middle of the screen, there's a search feature. To create a quote, go to the Expedia TAAP website, which stands for Travel Agent Affiliate Program, and either sign in or create an account, agreeing to the terms and conditions. Then, click on the option to start planning a trip, providing necessary information such as dates, destination, and number of travelers. Use the quoting tool to generate a customized quote for clients. This process is quite straightforward, and by following these steps, you can easily create a quote on Expedia TAAP.